Usisabi, papi. Usisabi, papi. Hey, hey. Mama Hambe. Oh, Louis. Oh, welcome back. Oh, yeah. You are very good.
Tell us about your own upbringing, your own background, the context that would have helped frame what you produce through your music at times.
My culture. So like I am very mixed, if I can say I'm very mixed. My mother has Xhosa heritage, my father has Portuguese heritage, I am Tsonga.
I can't keep defending you, my bro.
Huh?
I can't keep on defending you, dog. Mama gone close. What's the Portugal, Portuguese?
Nalo Xhosa kabizwa kakade.
Uyitsonga, you high dog guy.
Wangifuna wena? Uzongenzani? Uzongenzani 200.
Kanti imali njena.
Hawu.
Asikhulume ngemali.
No, uthe uyangithanda uyangifuna ngiphi 200.
200 iningi.
Hawu awuningi ngeke we hayibo.
Batyaza njengobolisa somtyala. Damn. Me after going to Cape Town for the first time.
Sawubona sisi. Yebo, ngicela ukukhuluma isiTshwane. Angikhulumi isiTshwane, ngikhuluma isiXhosa. Khani ngiphuma bi mina. Cape Town asikhulumi sosewa. Yebo, Cape Town Peter 2 weeks yena.
2 weeks.
Simuncwabo sisi.
Simuncwabo.
Angikhulumi siTshwane. Yebo, sister ke ubona kama khuluma. Sichangeile sisakhuluma thina bulisa.
Akho kwaSixhosa esiphumayo nje ya.
Sawubona sisi uhlale kahle.
Hello. Teke ANC ayimbi.
Hello.
Am I wrong if niti 5 piece? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Translate the following English words to your languages. Read. Song. Shingwa.
Shingwa.
Isinkwa.
Hey, Tsonga.
Shafu kapatsa.
What
did he say?
Shafu kapatsa.
Sefofane. Ipanoi. Head.
Oh my God! Wow!
Lead.
Yeah. Oh,
Isiciko. Yeah.
Shipalu.
Shipalo.
What?
Likameli nyelo.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Shipalu. Mixing pub. Zamiso. Kutraktela. Ofeta. Ukubona.
Itraktela.
Bombastic side eye.
Red.
Red.
Uku. Nkondlo. Lodo.
Nkondlo.
Tree. Umthi. Msila.
Mhlari.
Muhlari.
Muhlari.
Hlahla. Shu. Sangu. Ntangu.
Kiko 6 manje usabheka 8. Ngoba ngilechaya reverse yabo. Alombheka ke nigga. I don't really know.
West side.
I'm talking nigga. Short corner, man.
So teach me a Chinese word, okay?
Yes.
Meaning?
I love you. 我爱你.
Yeah. Okay, let me teach you a closer word.
Okay.
Masende.
What does Masende?
Ay, mofundini.
Masende.
Good luck.
Good luck. Oh.
Sharp. Goodbye.
Nangu ke umama kasobabhabhatiza uhamba negoba lakhe. uzosika icake
Hayi.
uhamba negoba ayisikile ke icake qhwabana lo mazingela zakuba nomona usebenze kodwa
Inja kwayona seyidikiwe so the rest ifuna uhamba.
data uthatha njini ukhululela akho premium wakho ba
Kundwali ka-2026 lawa bona adla ican aselutshwala
Asoze.
wanda velidakwe kangangani kundwali yakhona hayi ukuthi velidakwe kangangani
Asoze. Walking on gold. With red bottoms.
Guys, I have a question. This is a South African map, fine. It's Limpopo, Gauteng, Northwest, whatever, KZN. Guys, I'm concerned about this province right here. This one. Guys, who lives here? Like, bro, you are far from everyone. Like, you far from... Don't tell me you're near Cape Town, bro. Let's say you live in Appington. Close, bro, you're not even close, bro. You're far from everything, bro. Look.
From everything? What is everything?
From the fun and everything. You're far from Gauteng. Gauteng is where the fun is, can't lie. Cape Town at least fine, but then nah, bro, this is a distance. Who lives here, bro? Like, who lives here? Why not, bro? Yeah, I'd hate to
I think that's Proverb. Proverb is from Kimberley. Proverb. And Mazge abanye, but I know Proverb.
Yeah, bro, I can't lie. I'd hate to live here, bro. Whoever lives here, you guys, you don't truly enjoy life, for sure. I'm sure you don't.
Asizozwa nje ngabafana basegoli uma ngabe uplan ungekho we-V class siyazenzela thina i-V class sethu asikwazi ukuthi ngabafana basegoli sinje hayi ke
wena mama uthi nanela bana
Wait.
definitely kithulo man
It's that one Papa who wants the cut perfect. Hi, Yo. Skull skills saya Skull skills
like ndithanda nyanyani
Zulu never date
and nguwe wedwa umuntu endibona i-future naye like nyani seriously like ndiyathanda and then ndiba ndizayithini loo nto kwezi like nguwe wedwa umuntu endimbonileyo endimbonayo phaa ndisiya phambili naye ebomini bam ndicela torho like I love you like, ndiyathanda
awu kodwa nyanyani wami awu mfondini ndikuthanda nyanyani nami mama yezwe kodwa mama yazi ngidingela uzongibiza kanjani ngoba bazi noma uzothi tatazi noma uzothi mama uzothini vele
umama ine contacts nabebelungu wayisebenza kuba bamcela ifirst born yasekhaya uMessi ewe nguMessi omdala kusubuthi Mthetheli kuze ubuthi Ayanda
uMpumesi
utayo ogqibela uNonzonzo hayi ewe uMessi wakhulise yesini kamamama ayifana bayibhukbere wamkana belungu bakamama otshona naye Argentina hayi azi Messi
area because of when you're starting on the left, you see this side and this side. They are in this near the river. They had the plan to remove these people to have these spaces like there's a space for the temporal houses that gonna build at near the Imbilweni. They gonna remove these people that are in flat area.
Bayavuma abantu uhamba but
The people that they don't have a side number, they want to go anywhere. Bayavuma abantu ukuhamba abangenazo i-side number. The one who don't want to move is the one they already have the houses that they said no, we cannot go to another place or a gully. I'm moving to the informal settlement to go another temporal laws. I must move to the informal settlement to the house.
Ukumshela ntoni? Because kwesi journalist kubuza ngeXhosa wena uyakhumsha. Don't want to move near a gully. Yes. Uphi pa? If there's any looting eyenzekileyo, nansi suspect.
Ithi mina ngifuna mina kule weekend kusasa ngiyahamba.
Hamba angikwaleli.
Mara awunginiki ama blessings wena.
Ama biscuits.
Ama biscuits. Prank my boyfriend and told the waiter it's his birthday. Sabuza lohlala eflorini. Unobaleka.
Yabemva kwala. Wetsetoni. Wetheni? Wetsetoni. Ubethe umuntu? Hayi wena. Nini? Zolo. Ubethe untombazana? Uzawuvalela uphambane. Mntwana nika umntwana wena.
Se. Bahambile abafethu. What she ordered versus what she bought.
Hey bafethu umhlaba ubuyele kubanikazi bayo la fethu ngisesitolo la kaNtombela fethu ngithi ngizothenga amakhondomu ngibuza ukuthi ngizowenzani yayibona nje leyo sekuyamtshela ukuba Mtombela ukuthi ngizowafusa ngizothini mina hey yabona nje bafethu
mna nami Bisto in a boiled egg. Bisto with boiled egg. Ebo? Bisto. Bisto in a boiled egg. Iqanda ebilisiweyo.
Yenza ntoni
Nali mna nami. Nali. With bisto mfethu. Boiled. Boiled egg with bisto. Oh, hello.
Shai video manje. Ya, hayi video.
Ngiyakutshela wena.
Hayi sihle nasisichathulo, uyasiba?
Asikonzima ke ngo. Abantu bamasona bavishuma. Abahambe.
Correct. Up. Set. Up. Set. Correct. Correct.
Uba londo sishese correct.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Usebenza kanjani lo? Usebenza correct.
Hey. Oye phezulu sale naye lo.
Kusefanele.
Ndibe nemini
Xhosa
fana
Jan, don't
nebele lakho.
disappoint.
Imini epatyu-patyu. Imini eleleyo. Ayisuka. Imini eshwabeneyo. Hayi. Imini enengono. Ngicela wena.
Imini epatyu-patyu.
Ela.
Ah, kita malbi.
Saudi you way. Ela. Saudi you way. Ela. Moment. No. Something you way. Something you way. Moment. Us moment way. Then.
So malume sibukhona isikhathi apartheid.
No, mina I was one of the kind. What I did ukuthi bengithola.
Oh. Okay, kayenzakalani?
And then abafazi bangikhahlela. Ngajola and then mangicela ukujola ngashada and then I'm a divorcee.
Aish.
Nabo. Oh Jambas. Abahlulwa. Yavula takaviki. Yawuthatha uKamsi. Yawuthatha uKamsi. Yemkane bucket. Yemkane bucket ni nani?
Fika late utakaviki. No feeding of baboons prohibited.
Yasana. Oh Jambas, abesanjani?
Oh Jambas. Yena senzani nani? Ikhona ibhodi enkulu ebhalwe no feeding.
Ayibosana. Ayini. Sanje uKelsi wami gone kanje.
Makaviki. Makaviki baske wa happy. I hope you enjoyed today's video, Bafetu. For more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.